Welcome back to the Project Cave. I'm Kevin. Your speed ratchet is fine for your lawnmower, but when you start working on bigger, more expensive engines, you are going to want a torque wrench. These are my wrenches. I'm going to show you how to set them up and how to use them. Then for fun, I'll show you how to use this older style wrench. This is my first torque wrench and I keep it around for sentimental reasons. This is a click style torque wrench rated from 20 to 100 foot-pounds. When you properly operate it, you hear a slight click and feel the handle break. By that, I mean there's a slight but sudden movement or giving way of the handle. Hearing and feeling this will let you know you've reached the desired torque. Now, when you look at the torque wrench, it's a ratcheting wrench with a nub to accept a socket, 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch. On the other side is the thumb switch to reverse the directions clockwise, counterclockwise, same as on your speed ratchet. If you move down the shaft, you'll find the torque measurement, foot-pounds on one side and Newton meters on the other. Foot-pounds are measured in increments of 10. They're in 2 columns on either side of a center line. Straight up and down between these numbers, that center line, and sticking out from each number is a short line that points toward the center line, angles slightly toward the handle, and then back toward and touches the center line. Beneath those numbers is a sleeve around the shaft. The top edge of this sleeve is the first place you'll look when you're setting your torque level. On that sleeve, near the top, are another series of numbers, 0 through 9, and they run around the sleeve with a tick mark above each number. Once you reach the 10 on the shaft, you start looking at the 0 through 9 numbers, and you keep rotating the handle until you reach the desired torque setting. Now say I wanted to set my wrench to 47 foot-pounds. I'm going to grasp and pull this locking ring right here. I'm going to turn the handle until the top edge of this sleeve reaches 40. And now I look at the numbers around the sleeve, and I'm going to keep turning it until the sleeve reaches 7. Release the locking ring and the wrench is now set to 47 foot-pounds. Alright, we're now over here at the bench vise. I'm going to show you an easy way to practice getting the feel for the torque wrench, especially in the lower end of the range. I'm just going to take a socket I have, going to open it up, pop the socket into the vise, crank it down a little bit. I'm going to take my torque wrench. It is currently set for 12 pounds. I think we can up that a little bit. There. We're set at 18 pounds. We're going to put it in place. And you just watch slowly. Start to apply pressure. There's the click. There's the brake. Like I said, you don't want to find out when you're under a car that you're not in touch with this feel. Like I said, it can be very subtle. These wrenches are long, so there's a lot of mechanical advantage compared to your speed ratchet, which probably only is half as long. So you put a lot more pressure. This way, you feel it, you're good to go. Alright, here's a tip on how to take care of your torque wrench. First thing you want to do is take all the tension out of the handle. You want to reset it so it's at its lowest setting. And then, if it came with a case, like mine did, you want to put it back into its case just to help protect it. These are precision instruments. You want to take care of them so they give you lots of long and good valuable service. Okay, I did promise I would show you how to use this old style torque wrench. It's got the one with the 2 rods coming out. Top rod is your indicator. The bottom rod flexes and it moves the gauge across the indicator. So, got my socket back in the bench vise. Pop the wrench into the socket and then I just slowly apply torque. Right now, I'm at 15 foot-pounds. The bottom shaft here is flexing. The top with the indicator is staying straight. The guide has moved across with the bottom shaft, so the indicator is currently pointing at 15. As soon as I hit 15, and I don't want to bounce, I don't want to do this, okay? Just want to apply gradual pressure. As soon as I hit the 15, done. That's torque to 15 pounds. Release the pressure. All right, that was fun. Here's a few more videos to check out now that you know how to use a click-style torque wrench. Give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel before you go. Also, let me know what you think with a comment below. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.